Spectrin deficiency is hereditary cytosis. There is a correction. In this question we should say except and make henox-chondrin purpura is except about it, all the remaining are true. Hemophilia A, B, even von Willebrand disease also. Why? Von Willebrand factor is required for the stability of the factor 8. Von Willebrand disease may factor 8 get affected and that lead to the prolongation of the APTT is what you have to basically remember. When you measure central venous pressure, what are you measuring? You are basically measuring the right atrial pressure is what need to be remembered. The closure of the AV valves lead to the development of the first heart sound. Now if you look at the cardiac output, it is the inotropic state, cardiac rate and stroke volume. They are all the determinants of the cardiac output. Okay doc, shoot me one confident answer. There are two findings classically seen in SAADH out of this 5. What are those two findings? Shoot me the letters, that's sufficient. In SAADH, what findings do you see out of this? Quick answer. 240 questions, 180 minutes. It is a running race which you have to survive. Manavi says A, Tirupati say A and C. Manu says A and C is also Varangal. Correct. A and C. Whenever SADH is there, excess ADH is there, which will cause antidiuresis, retention of fluid in the plasma. Plasma volume expansion will stretch the atria and make atrial natriuretic peptide released, which lead to natriuresis and which will make urinary sodium more than 20 milliequivalents is what need to be remembered. And because water is unable to enter into urine, urine osmolality will increase and plasma osmolality will decrease, typically in the case of SADH. Okay doc, very good, most of you answered it correctly. That means SADH is our hit list topic. 627 topics given to you. What we have done is, every year there are 2 PGI papers, 250, 250, 500 questions. Past 15 years, 7,500. Every year, one All India. 300 questions into past 15 years, 4,500. Then every year, 200s aims, 400 into past 15 years, 6,000. Then every question we labeled which topic it belongs to and asked the computer Mahashay, please tell us, take all questions belonging to a topic to one place and tell from which topics examiners love is there. Then the Mahashay told, माइक्रोबायोलॉजी मूर्ख के जैसे पूरा बुक पढ़ना अच्छा नहीं है. Examiner want to know streptococci is the most common topic. There are 70 questions in the past 15 years only on streptococci. Then a very common question is about immunoglobulins. 60 questions are there on only immunoglobulins. Ultimately there are 40 topics in microbiology. Oh, thoroughly पढ़ के गए तो exam more than enough. So like that we shortlisted 627 topics and organized them most high yield towards least asked topics and created a list. So your job is much easier. That after all the role of a teacher is like an obstetrician. Finally pains of labor are perceived by patient only. The pains of remembering all the useless things is with student only. But when you top the exam, we will claim, like there is a mystic power in making you successful. The mystic power lies in your determination to win, doctor, your desperation to be topper, and at the same time your balanced mind to agree and accept the results, and equanimity and common sense, presence of mind with which you answer the questions in those 3 hours, which will decide a lot of things. Now, ventricular depolarization is curious, as all of you know. 27910, are all vitamin K dependent. What is the mean pulmonary arterial pressure? You know that 25 is systolic, 10 is diastolic pulmonary pressure. So 15 millimeters of mercury becomes the mean pulmonary arterial pressure is what you need to remember. How do you calculate mean arterial pressure? It is basically diastolic pressure plus 1/3 of systole minus diastole, which is called pulse pressure. 1/3 of pulse pressure plus diastolic pressure will give you mean arterial pressure is what I want to underscore. Now it is the diastole during which the blood flow occurs to the subendocardial portion of the myocardium, which is the most vulnerable part of the myocardium to the ischemic injury, is what need to be remembered. Okay, doc. Give me one confident answer. Secretory diarrhea. 3 causes you must give me. BCD, BCE, Madhavi says BCE, yes doctor. A also according to our radiologists par excellence, yes, anything else? We'll see our online students. Hari Chinta proposes A and D also. Do you think ulcerative colitis is secretory diarrhea? Hari need to re-evaluate. Tirupati also included D. They said A, B and D. I think why you are biased about ulcerative colitis is secretory diarrhea. Cholera is secretory diarrhea. Is the things are like that in ulcerative colitis? Is anything is stimulating cyclic AMP? No, no. Then why D has become a popular choice? Shankar Banglu says, now my job has become like Akashvani. Right, Manga, Ganga, Sunanda have asked for Mukesh ka Gana. Abhi aapke farmaish pesh kar rahe. So our online students have become so many. Raju, everyone says A. Raju says ABC. One big clap goes to Raju. ABC. Ulcerative colitis, pancreatic exocrine insufficiency are not secretory. Ulcerative colitis lead to inflammatory diarrhea is what need to be remembered. Okay, doc. Adenosine, coronary vasodilatation is what need to be remembered. You have lactate, potassium, H+, prostaglandins. They are all the regional vasodilators which are being produced. Purkinje fibers. From tomorrow evening onwards, we are starting a winter session of 20 weeks. So those who are decided to crack either state entrance in March or next NEET PG, you are all welcome. Every day evening 5 to 8 we have, in which we conduct every day one unit test of 40 questions discussion plus 2 hours of a review of the theory. Online, sitting in the home without traveling, you can be able to review. The schedule we have presented it in the home page. Okay, doc. Purkinje fibers. Conduction velocity is 4 times that of the cardiac myocyte. Cardiac myocyte में 1 meter per second है तो Purkinje fiber में 4 meters per second is what you need to remember. X wave, Y descent, they are all negative waves, I think. Today's paper is like LKG nursery paper. ECG in hypocalcemia, how will it be? Actual entrance will be like this. 1 question, 2 questions easy, 3 questions tough, 1 question totally unknown, and there are 5-6 questions very easy. It will be a mixture of everything. It depends upon which mixture you got in your paper, of if it is NEET PG. Now hypocalcemia may ST segment prolongation is what you typically come across. So doctor, hyper, kalemia, calcemia, magnesemia, natremia. You need to be very sure. Now LV failure, when you say when pulmonary capillary wedge pressure increases more than 20 millimeters of mercury, then you call it as. Should be an answer, doctor. There is only one drug out of this where the drug receptor pair is correctly matched. Classical question of PGI Chandigarh exam, single best answer. Who will give me the correct answer? Drug receptor pair correctly matched. Raju says A, Shiva Manavi says C. Huh? Your answer is C. Very good. That is cisapride you like to commit as 5-HT3 agonist. Right? Lot of people are saying A. Abhi also says A. Anantapur and Manu says D. Methiserzide 5H24. Any other thought process? A is correct answer, doctor. Buspirone is 5-HT1 agonist. Infliximab, adalimumab, cetrolizumab. So MAPS you are not going to forget, no? We tortured you in the last few weeks of Sunday tests about MAPS, monoclonal antibodies. But that list you have to be mastering. So, and granisetron is like ondansetron, which is 5-HT3 receptor antagonist. I told you, no, we will ask questions like anterior pituitary produces what, posterior pituitary produces what. So we don't want to ask even what is posterior pituitary, too much question that is. So GnRH is not, it is hypothalamus. Then TSH, euthyroid typically. Then calcium metabolism, thyroxine is not associated. Then 2 hours after the sleep, growth hormone elevation will be there. So Somogyi phenomena, DOMS phenomena. You must be very sure which phenomena is because of what underlying cause, how do you manage it. In which case insulin dosage should be increased and decreased. All those basics we will revise from the session starting from tomorrow once more. Now fasting blood sugar 80 to 100. Okay doc, should be one answer. Vaccines not contraindicated in pregnancy. Which vaccines? Measles, varicella, mumps, rabies, hepatitis B. Should be multiple answers in letters. E for English, okay. D for doctor. D and E is a proposal. Abhi also proposes D and E, but Raju says B for bachelor. Anuja also agrees with the bachelor. Varicella. Shiva also agrees with bachelor. Varicella. No doctor? Measles, varicella, mumps. All the three are contraindicated. Not contraindicated. वही बोल रहा हूं मैं. Then how did you answer it as hepatitis then? Okay. Then what is the very important glycolytic enzyme in glycolysis? So pyruvate kinase, isokinase, phosphofructokinase, they are all important key enzymes which you typically come across. Now doctor,